Today's homework is on density, mass and volume, which is part of compound measures. So the question reads, a solid metal sphere has a radius of 2.5 centimeters. The mass of the sphere is 110.6 grams. Work out the density of the sphere. Give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. Now before I start the question, I'm just going to check the units in the question are the same as the units that they would want the final answer to be in. So in the final answer they want centimeters and grams. Yep, in the question I've got centimeters and grams. So how do we work out the density? You need to remember this formula triangle, DMV. One way to remember it is don't marry Vera. So in order for me to work out the density, I'll just cover the letter D on the formula triangle. So I'll cover that up with my hand, which tells me density is equal to mass divided by the volume. So density is equal to the mass of the object divided by its volume. Now if I have a look at the question, do I have the mass? Yes, I do. Do I have the volume? No, I don't. So the question has told me it is a sphere. Now you need to be able to recall the formula for a sphere. The formula for that is volume is equal to 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. So that's my sphere, and that would be my radius in the center. The volume would be 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. So let's work out the volume for the sphere in the question. So I'll just pop this into the calculator. 4/3 times pi times 2.5, which I will need to cube, which is the radius. This will give me the answer of 65.44984,695 centimeters cubed. Now coming back to the question, density is equal to the mass divided by volume. So the mass is 110.6 divided by the volume, using the whole number, so my final answer is accurate. This will give me the answer of 1.6899843524. Now the question is asking me to round it to 3 significant figures, so I'll count it from the beginning unless it started with a 0. So 1, 2, 3, put my line in. That'll tell me that it'll round up to 1.69 grams per centimeters cubed, which will be the density of this solid metal sphere. Have a go at this question and upload your answers onto class charts for your teacher to check. Thank you.